The accessories for the LOVATO Electric P5 series molded case circuit breakers also include a motor operator for remote operation or via automatic system control systems. To install it, simply unscrew the 2 lower screws from the cover and remove. Position the dedicated adapter on the top of the circuit breaker, as follows. Now, make sure the circuit breaker is in the off position by pushing the lever downward. Place the motor operator on the front of the circuit breaker and tighten the screws. Use the longer screws for the bottom and the shorter screws for the top. Consult the instruction manual if necessary. Remove the protective cover to connect the terminals, following the diagram on the bottom and in the instructions. You can perform a functional test manually. Use the removable key on the control side. Slide the lever on the front to the right, setting it to manual. Now you can control the switch with the key, opening or closing the switch, making sure to always turn the key clockwise. Good job!